Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make some like jiffy cornbread muffins. So let's get started. I'm gonna add 1 cup of cornmeal and 1 cup of self-rising flour. That means that you don't have to add any baking soda or baking powder to the meal. It's already in the meal. So let me get my sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I'll mix this up. One-4 cup of vegetable oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. 2 eggs. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of half and half. This is the muffin pan. I'm gonna use very small. It's for a New Year's Eve party. So give them tiny little muffins to go along with the black eyed peas. I'm just using a teaspoon of the batter in each little cup, little muffin cup. Add a little more to that one.